AI is everywhere in IT, but most of it stops at tasks. Incidents pile up, teams firefight. Manual work doesn't scale. Genpact's Autonomous IT is a different model. AI agents sense, decide, and act across IT workflows. Humans govern. From faster resolution and lower costs to full auditability and built-in control. Here's how it works. Let's start with how systems are built and modernized. This is the agentic development lifecycle. Modernizing legacy systems doesn't have to mean months of complexity. There's a smarter way, powered by a family of specialized AI agents. Meet Solution Studio. Genpact's proprietary agentic AI engine, built to rethink how legacy modernization gets done. It coordinates intelligent agents that work together across complex tasks, using advanced context engineering to stay sharp and aligned. Each agent draws on your enterprise knowledge and approved tools, so every output stays accurate and relevant to your world. The platform maps your legacy code in detail. Even the most tangled systems become clear and workable. Human-in-the-loop validation is built right in. Your experts review, approve, and keep control at every stage. Solution Studio also pulls test cases straight from your requirement documents, giving you full traceability and confidence in every outcome. With all that context working together, Solution Studio drives focused, efficient modernization, turning legacy apps into scalable systems ready for what's next. Now let's see what happens when something breaks. This is Incident Self-Heal. Today, incident resolution is slow, manual, and frustrating. IT teams spend hours triaging, diagnosing, coordinating handoffs, and chasing answers. Every delay hits productivity. Now picture the same workflow, run autonomously by AI agents. Humans step in only when judgment or risk demands it. Here's how it works. It starts with observability. Monitoring tools spot unusual behavior. Signals are correlated across your environment and sent instantly to ServiceNow. An incident is created automatically, complete with severity, impact, and affected services. That triggers the Incident Self-Heal Orchestrator. This is where Genpact AI goes to work. The orchestrator reads the incident context, checks confidence levels, and decides which agents to deploy, and in what order. First up, the Incident Analyzer. It pulls from metrics, past incidents, recent changes, and built-in knowledge to pinpoint the root cause. What used to take hours now takes seconds. Next, the Executor agent steps in, applying high-confidence fixes. No manual steps needed. Issues are resolved before they can disrupt. Once things are back to normal, the Summary agent documents everything: actions, decisions, results. At the same time, the Communicator agent keeps stakeholders updated in real time. Everyone's aligned, no back and forth. Every AI action is logged directly in ServiceNow: diagnostics, decisions, actions, outcomes. That makes every incident traceable, explainable, and audit-ready. The AI Control Tower gives leaders one view of how AI is performing: productivity gains, value metrics, and real impact. It also covers risk, compliance, and security, so autonomous actions run within clear governance and responsible AI guardrails. Faster resolution, less manual work, full transparency. Build, run, and heal, governed by your teams, powered by AI agents. This is Autonomous IT with Genpact.